For statements iterate over iterable values. They can also iterate over iterators themselves. Let's say I have a range from 3 to 6. The contents of that range are the numbers 3, 4, and 5. If I iterate over that range, I see all of the elements. And if I do it again, I see all the elements again because I haven't changed the range. Iterators are a little different. So if I get a range iterator from my range, this has a particular position in the range associated with it, which changes every time I call next. So I can ask for each element in the rest of the iterator, but it will not print out 3 because 3 is passed. Instead, it will just print out 4 and 5. Now, for statements also move the marker within the iterator, advancing it all the way to the end of the sequence. So I still have my range. I'm going to build a new range iterator that starts at the very beginning. And for every element in Ri, I'm going to print out I. So I've passed a range iterator to the for statement to be processed. Now there's nothing left in the range iterator. If I iterate over it again, I see nothing because I'm already at the end of Ri. That's another consequence of using an iterator in a for statement. So to summarize, if I use an iterator in a for statement, I can still go through all of the elements until I reach the end. But that will advance the iterator so that I can't use it again. On the other hand, if I'm working with an iterable object, like the range itself, every time I use that in a for statement, I'm able to go through the entire contents from beginning to end without worrying about anything changing as I do so.